VS Code versus Z, best AI code editor. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of VS Code and Z. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about VS Code. VS Code is a widely used open source code editor developed by Microsoft, known for its flexibility, large extension marketplace, and built in support for AI tools. Pros of VS Code: highly customizable with thousands of extensions, great integration with Git and other version control tools, built in support for Copilot and other AI coding assistants, cross platform and lightweight, large community and frequent updates. Cons of VS Code: can become slow with too many extensions. Configuration can be overwhelming for beginners. UI can feel cluttered at times. Now, let's talk about Z. Z is a new, fast, and minimalist code editor focused on speed, collaboration, and AI assistance built by the creators of Atom. Pros of Z: lightning fast performance, distraction free, clean user interface, built in collaboration features, native support for AI tools and inline suggestions, ideal for developers who prefer simplicity and speed. Cons of Z: limited extensions and ecosystem compared to VS Code, still in early stages, missing some advanced features, smaller community support. So that's basically the main differences are between Vscode and Z, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.